I can't see scenes or even hear things in my head. What do I do about that? Well, we put ourselves in the vicinity to observe other people doing it. Let me explain. You see, in our brains, we have these little neurons called mirror neurons. Stay with me. Mirror neurons are exactly what their names say they are. What do you do in a mirror? You watch yourself do something. So, the example is this. If you don't feel like smiling or even laughing, but you want to, if you observe someone smiling or observe them or hear them laughing without judgment, which means, how come they're so happy? Why are they so happy? If you don't do that, your body will release endorphins just as if you were the one smiling. So, if you want a beautiful relationship, what images can you pull up online? What images, when you flip through a magazine, can you see that say, oh, well, that is a beautiful relationship. Look at how happy and blissful they are. You notice there's no judgment. You don't look at somebody's happy things, happy photo of them in a relationship and say, ugh, oh, that's fake. Don't do that. Because now you won't get to reap the benefits through their experience, right? So if you just observe their relationship in a photo, in a magazine, online, now your body will respond and say, hey, that is beautiful. And as soon as you begin to feel the stirring in your body of that is beautiful, you say to your body, yes, that is what a blissful relationship represents to me. And that is the image you look at. And every time you walk by it and you look at it, yeah, that feels nice. That's what I want. That represents bliss to me. And from there, you put yourself in the state of what that image represents. So you see, we live in the age of technology. You don't have to come up with it, but the more that you do that, the more that you put yourself in the vicinity of looking at someone in the situation that you want to be in, now you train your body to conjure up those images for you. Now you find a reason to smile and you bring it up in your imagination. So you see, you are never stuck not being able to figure it out. There's always a solution. And I will reiterate, it is best to not judge the situation that you're looking on, which means don't feel jealous that it's not you having that blissful relationship. That's not what you're looking at it for. You're not looking at it to judge it. You're looking at it to stimulate you to have your own beautiful relationship. Remember the smile. You might not feel like smiling, but if you observe a smile and you say, wow, that's a beautiful smile, your body will release the endorphins just as if you were the one who smiled. And now the next time you want to think of something to make you smile, you remember the smile that you've seen. And then what happens to you? You smile, and the memory of a smile is associated with the image you saw, thereby putting you in the state of what? Smile. A state of, oh, that is nice. A state of, how beautiful that is. So again, observe what you want to experience without judgment. And allow yourself to feel it fully. Allow your body to say, oh, yeah, that feels nice. And then you consciously say, yes, that's it. That's the one. That's the sensation. That's the state I want to live in. I trust that that makes sense to you. Let me know. If not, we'll elaborate some more. Much love to you.